So good evening to all of you students. Today I am going to explain about the types of the function. So previously we have seen some other things about the function. So in this series now let us see the types of the function. So the first type of the function is this is one function, or this is also known as injective function, or sometimes this is one-to-one function. So if there are two sets, then we can A and B, then we can say a function from set A to B, or we can simply say from A to B, that maps distinct elements of its domain, that is set A of its domain, that is set A, to the distinct element distinct element of its codomain, that is set B, that is set B is called one-one function, or one-to-one function, or injective function. So a function from A to B that maps distinct element of its domain to distinct element of its codomain is called one-one function, or one-to-one function. Diagrammatically we can see like this, like here we can see this is the picture in which we are having a set A and this is set B. In set A we are having 3 elements, that is 1, 2, 3, and in set B we are having 4 elements, A, B, C and D. So distinct element of A, that is 1, 2, 3, they are mapping to distinct element of set B. That's why we can say this is the injective function. So we can say this is injective as F1 is A, F2 is B and F3 is C. So this is injective, but in this figure 2 this is not injective, because these elements, these are distinct element, but 2 elements, that is 1 and 2, they are having same image, that is A. So A is the image of 1 as well as 2, that's why this is not injective. So we can say because F1 is A equals to F2, that's why this is not injective. Now the second category or second type of the function is many-one function, or this is also known as many-to-one function. So it can be defined as a function from A to B, from A to B, if and is said to be from A to B is said to be many one, is said to be many one if and only if two or more elements in set A have same image in B, or we can say set B. That is called the many one function. So the important property is this, that two or more element of its domain, that is like this is set A, so we can say this is domain, have same image in its codomain, that is set B. So this is the many one function. Now here this is the image, this is the figure, or we can say diagrammatically we can see these are the two sets A and B. Set A again is having three elements 1, 2 and 3. Set B is also having three elements, that is A, B and C. But here we can say these two elements 1 and 2, they are having the same image, that is A. That's why we can say this is many one function. So we can say here F1 equals to F2 equals to A. That's why this is many one function. For example, let fx equals to x square, or we can say fx is defined, or the function is defined like fx equals to x square, where x belongs to, this is the set of real numbers and f is from R to R. Then this is a many one function. Now let us see how we can say. So this f1 is 1 square equals to 1, f minus 1 equals to minus 1 square, this is also 1, f2 is 2 square, this is 4, and f minus 2, this is minus 2 square, this is also 4. So we can say 1 and 1 minus 1, they are mapping to 1, or 1 and minus 1, they are having the same image, that is 1. They are having same image, that is 1, and 2 and minus 2, they are having same image, that is 4. So we can say this is the example of many one function. Now the third category is, third type is into function. So let us see what is into function. So into function is, formally we can define it like a function from set A to B is called an into function, function if and only if and only if and only if there exist at least one element in V, one element in set B, or we can say in its codomain, which is not the image of any element in A, not the image of any element in A. So that function is known as into function. So the important property in this into function is there exists at least one element in B which is not the image of any element in A. That is called the into function. Now diagrammatically we can see here, this is the example of into function. Like here we are having 3 elements, 1, 2 and 3, and 4 elements in B, A, B, C and D. Distinct element of A are having the distinct image A, B and C, but there is one element, that is D. This one element, it is not the image of any element in A. That's why this is into function. Now we can see one more example. This is other example, like this is a set which is containing this is a set of integers. Suppose I equals to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4 and so on up to infinity. Then a function from I to I defined by, means this is a set of integer, this is also the set of integer. So a function from a set of integer to set of integer, or from I to I, defined by fx equals to x square. This is an example of into function, is an into function because negative integers of codomain because negative integers of codomain are not images of any element of A. That's why this is the example of into function. So we can say this is the example of into, which is defined by fx equals to x square, because negative integers of codomain are not images of any element of its domain, that is set A. Negative integers are not images of any element. So this is the third type. Now let us see the fourth type of the function. So fourth type of the function is onto function, or this is also known as surjective function. It can be defined formally, like we can say a function from A to B, a function from A to B is said to be onto or surjective if and only if each element of its codomain, that is, here we can say this is set B, only if each element of its codomain, that is set B, is the image of some element in A, that is its domain, then in this case we can say the function is onto, or this is also known as surjective. So the main condition is if each element of its codomain is the image of some element in A. Like here diagrammatically we can see this is a surjective function. In this diagram we are having two sets A and B. So this A is containing 4 elements 1, 2, 3 and 4, and B is containing 3 elements A, B and C. Now here we can see that each element of set B, that is codomain A, B and C, they are the image of some element in B. Like here we can see this A is the image of 1, B is the image of 2, C is the image of 3 and 4. That's why this is the onto function or surjective function. But in this case this is not surjective, because each element of set B, like here we can say, if suppose this is A and this is B, so here one element, that is D is not the image of any element of set A. That's why we can say this is not surjective. On the other hand, A is the image of 1, B is the image of 2, C is the image of 3, but D is not the image of any element. That's why we can say this is not surjective or not onto. Moreover, for example, we can see one more example. If fx equals to x square and fx equals to x square and x belongs to the set of real numbers and f is, this is from R to R, then this f is not onto function this is not onto function, or this will be not be a onto function, because we cannot find a number, whose square is negative. This is not possible, that's why we can say this is not the onto, because we cannot find a number whose square is negative. So this is the example of this is not the example of onto. Now the fifth type of the function is 1 1 onto, or 1 to 1 onto, or this is also known as bijective function. Now it can be defined, we can say a function from A to B, A to B is called 1 1 onto, or bijective function. If f is both 1 1 and onto, a function from A to B is called 1 1 onto, or bijective function, if f is both 1 1 and onto, or this is injective and surjective, or we can say this is injective and surjective both. So diagrammatically we can see, again we will consider these two sets that we are normally taking in all the types of the function. Let us consider this is set A, it is containing 3 elements 1, 2 and 3, and set B, it is containing again 3 elements A, B and C. So we can say this is injective as well as surjective both, because distinct element of A are having the images distinct element of set B, and on the other hand each element of set B is the image of some element in A. That's why this is the example of bijective function. So we can say this is bijective. For example, let A equals to 1, 2, 3 and B equals to A, B, C, then a function from A to B is bijective if f1 is A, f2 is B and f3 is C. So in this case we can say this function is bijective, or this is 1 1 onto. So these are the 5 types of the function. I hope that you would be benefited from this lecture. Thank you.